Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about credit cards. Are credit cards good or are they bad? We'll find out next. Firefighter Financial Toolbox. All right, you guys, big question. Credit cards, are they good or are they bad? I love the analogy the money guy uses. He says credit cards are like a chainsaw. As long as you know what you're doing with it, it's a very useful tool. But in the wrong hands, it could be disastrous. And I think that's a perfect example of the answer. Credit cards need to be used responsibly, guys. Credit cards are a good tool. I feel like every 18-year-old should go out and get a credit card. Here's why. It's the easiest way for a young person to build credit. You have to have credit if you want to get anything financed. Maybe you want to buy a house. Good credit, better answer. Good way to get that is starting with a credit card. Now, let's talk about some statistics. Here's where credit cards become dangerous. When you don't pay them off. When you have credit card debt.
Credit card debt is bad.
Here's why. The average credit card rate right now in 2019 is 15.09%. Now that's the national average. Some are higher, some are lower, obviously. Get a credit card, use the credit card, pay the credit card off in full. Now let's talk about some of the good things. They're safe. If you use them online and something happens, let's say you have a website that is questionable and you don't get your product, you can call your credit card company and they will cancel the transaction. If your credit cards get stolen, you can cancel them and you are not responsible for the purchases made on that card. Now, if you try to do the same thing with a debit card, you're on the hook for it. They're going to take all your money out of your bank and you cannot get it back. So, credit cards have their place. We talked about debt and how bad it is. Let's talk about the average. Right now in 2019, the average revolving credit card debt in the United States is $5,700. What does that mean? Revolving credit card debt means the average person who carries a balance on their credit card has $5,700 that they are not paying off. Now you multiply that by 15% compounding over the years, the credit cards are making their money, you guys. You gotta use it responsibly. Now, I'm all for getting credit cards that have airplane miles. You get free stuff, you get cash back, you guys. These are good things. Use the credit card to your benefit. Use the credit card to make you money, not cost you money. So let's say you have a Visa card from Capital One, for example, that pays you cash back. You spend X number of dollars, they give you so many dollars. You're actually making money from that credit card. But that's not going to help you if you're not paying it off in full. If you're carrying a $1,000 balance and they give you $10 for cash back, you're still upside down. That doesn't make any sense, you guys. So, credit cards, like I said, like a chainsaw. Use it responsibly. It's a good thing. You need it to build credit, but use it responsibly to keep yourself out of debt. All right, quick and easy. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like the channel, and we'll be back again. We'll see ya.